Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Harita. In today's video, I am going to discuss about ashwagandha benefits for women and men. You may be wondering what is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha has been called the king of Ayurvedic herbs. Ashwagandha is a root that has been used as a medical herb since 4000 years ago. The most popular herb in the Indian system of Ayurveda, which is their natural health care. The ashwagandha plant is a small shrub with yellow color flowers and it's native to India and other parts of the Africa. The name ashwagandha is derived from Sanskrit. So ashwagandha is a combination of two words. Ashwa means horse and gandha means smell. So you can say smell of the horse, which refers to both its unique smell and ability to increase strength. Its botanical name is Withenia somnifera. It is also known as Indian ginseng and winter cherry. And most of the people doesn't know that there are two types of ashwagandha roots are available. The number one is Deshi ashwagandha and number two is Nagori ashwagandha. Deshi ashwagandha looks like a thick root. So the second one is Nagori ashwagandha. It looks like in the picture, you can have a look here. This is the one Nagori ashwagandha. This is a thin root. So now we will discuss about what are all the health benefits of by using ashwagandha, and we will learn about if there is any side effects of ashwagandha by using. So in terms of health benefits, it's lower your blood sugar levels and reduce cortisol, boost brain function and helps fight with symptoms like anxiety and depression. Ashwagandha has been shown in several studies to lower blood sugar levels through its effects on insulin secretion and sensitivity. So many human studies proved its ability to reduce blood sugar levels in both healthy people as well as with suffering from diabetes. So for this reason it works as a adaptogen. It means it manages the stress levels depending upon your sugar levels. It keeps you calm and balanced whenever it is required. Ashwagandha demonstrates very significant benefits for the brain function. For example, cognitive function, for mental clarity. This herb works pretty extraordinary for reducing stress hormones, and so bringing those hormones down, and you get more of sense of relief than a sense of tension. So that is why it is very good for our brain function and relieves from all kind of anxiety and depressions. So it's phenomenal for both male and female for their sexual life. So studies have shown in addition it releases fertility in women and testosterone in men. Ashwagandha had anti-cancer properties. It may help treat several types of cancer including breast, lung and colon cancer. When you are stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol is not good for your waistline. So if your cortisol levels are too high for a long time, your body stores more fat in your abdomen. Means getting rid of belly fat is not an easy task, as you all know. So if you want to prevent weight gain and belly fat, you can give it a try of ashwagandha. So the one ability of ashwagandha is to lower our cortisol levels. The next one is it decreases cholesterol and triglyceride levels. As you all know, high cholesterol increases your chance of heart attack and can lead to a stroke. But fortunately, there is an easy way to combat high cholesterol. Some of the studies show in rats after taking this herb, the cholesterol levels decreased by up to 50%. So, ashwagandha can reduce heart disease by decreasing cholesterol and triglyceride levels. And it also reduces inflammation and improves brain function problems caused by disease and injuries. So instead of relying on pharmaceuticals to treat your anxiety or depression, you can give it a try of natural alternative. So the good news is, unlike other prescribed medications, ashwagandha doesn't have a long list of side effects. So you can use as a supplement. So supplementing ashwagandha may be an easy and effective way to improve your health and quality of your life overall. So you can easily find this herb online, or you can easily buy this herb supplement in medical stores. So I suggest, for the best results, use this ashwagandha herb in a powder form. So this is the ashwagandha powder. I bought it through online Amazon. I'm going to show you now how to use this powder every day. So this is the organic ashwagandha root powder. I bought it through online. So if you check backside of the pack, you will see ingredients list only organic ashwagandha root powder. And they have provided directions how to use. You can mix this in plain yogurt, you can mix with or smoothies, and you can have it. And you can store this organic powder on countertop. You don't need to store it in a refrigerator. And the caution is, if you are pregnant, you have to consult your primary doctor or physician before using this root powder. So now we can have a look inside of the packet how that powder looks like. I will show you now. So see here how the powder looks like a light color, and it doesn't smell so odd, but the smells good. And this is the powder. It looks like, you can see the powder now. This powder can be used like any kids, like after 10 plus years, boys, girls, and men, women, anyone can use this powder undoubtedly. Take 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder in a bowl. And now take 1 teaspoon of white rock sugar or candy sugar. You have to make candy sugar powder, and you have to use it 1 teaspoon. You have to use equal quantities of ashwagandha root powder and 1 teaspoon of candy sugar powder, and mix it very well. So now this you can consume 1 teaspoon in the morning after your breakfast, and in the evening before going to bed you can have 1 more teaspoon. So like that you have to take this 2 times in a day. So if you have your periods longer than 5 days, you can use this powder morning and evening for few months, and you will really find a best results. This root powder helps to boost your immune system, and it also helps to sleep you better and helps to heal arthritis. And the best part is, if you take it in a long run in a good manner, your skin will glow like anything. The second method is with milk. Take 1 cup of milk and boil it and bring it to the room temperature, and then add 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha powder in the milk. Here I am not adding in the milk because I did not boil the milk. Here I just wanted to show you, that's why I got the milk. Okay, so you just mix it in the milk and drink it before going to sleep. This remedy also you can use it in the morning after your breakfast, and in the evening before going to bed you can have this remedy. It also works the same way. You have to note one point here. 1 tablespoon is equal to 3 teaspoons. If you don't like to drink milk, or if you don't find rock candy sugar powder, I will show you one more method how to use this root powder. So take 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha root powder in a bowl, and take 2 tablespoons of honey. So you have to make sure the difference with the tablespoon and teaspoon. So well, it does take little bit time, like few minutes, to mix it well with honey. You have to be patient and mix it nicely all together and make a fine paste. So now our root powder and honey mix is ready to consume. This also you can have this in the morning after your breakfast and before going to bed. So any remedy you have to use it 2 times per day for getting the best results. So the best part is, here I want to mention one more thing. If you start taking this powder when you are younger or after your graduation, you look younger than 10 years to your age. So I remember I used this powder before my marriage, and after my marriage I moved to US like 18 years back, and I stopped taking this herb, and again I started back having this 1 month back, and I'm feeling good. So my father is the one who introduced this wonderful herb for the first time. That's all for today, my dear friends. And if you find anything interesting, please forward your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the like button. I really appreciate your wonderful time. You guys have a great day. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video.